Welcome, everyone, to our interior design tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to decorate your space using white appliances and their components. With a little creativity, you can turn these functional elements into stunning design features. Let's get started. First up, let's focus on cabinets and appliance doors. Use white or light-colored cabinets as a backdrop. Add contrast by choosing appliances with sleek, stainless steel or black doors. This creates a modern and sophisticated look in your kitchen. Now, let's talk about shelves. Open shelving is a great way to display your favorite dishes and glassware. Mix in some decorative pieces to create a balanced and visually appealing arrangement. Don't forget about drawers and racks. They can be used to organize your kitchen essentials. Consider custom drawer organizers and spice racks to keep things tidy and stylish. The compressor and condenser coil are often hidden, but they play a vital role. If you have an exposed area, consider adding a decorative screen or cover to create a seamless and aesthetically pleasing look. Fans and thermostats in appliances like ovens and refrigerators can be disguised with removable covers. Customize these covers to match your kitchen's color scheme or theme. Heating elements and motors in appliances can be camouflaged with custom cabinetry or decorative panels. This ensures they blend seamlessly into your kitchen design. For appliances like dishwashers and washing machines, the water inlet valve and drain pump can be concealed behind cabinet panels. This keeps your design clean and uncluttered. Spin baskets in washing machines and ice makers in refrigerators can be incorporated into your design by selecting appliances with stylish, streamlined features that match your kitchen's aesthetic. Finally, let's not forget about stove burners and range hoods. Opt for a sleek, modern stove with built-in burners. Pair it with an elegant range hood that complements your kitchen style. Ductwork can be hidden within cabinetry or covered with decorative grates. As for hinges, choose concealed or decorative ones that add a touch of elegance to your appliance doors. And there you have it. With a bit of creativity and attention to detail, you can transform your space by incorporating these white appliance components into your interior design. Remember to choose a cohesive color palette and style that suits your personal taste. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating.